welcome to Quixotic Academy. In this video we will discuss the last task from the pre-release material May-June paper 2. Before continuing, I want to clarify a small mistake in my pseudocode. In task 1 it is mentioned that price per hour is given for the timings 8 to 15 and the price is given for timing 16 to midnight. It means this is not price per hour, this is the fixed price. It does not depend on the hours. While in my pseudocode I did assume it as a price per hour, now I have corrected it. I renamed the variable midnight price per hour to midnight price, so it is more meaningful. Then I have declared the price variable beforehand. It is 0.0 and I will set the price variable if arrival time is greater than 15 because I don't have to calculate the per hour price. The price is fixed after 15. So the price is now midnight price, but if the price is not set in this step, price will remain 0.0, and later on when I'm displaying the price I will check if I have changed the price variable or not. If price variable was not changed, then it will calculate the new price, otherwise the midnight price will remain same. Let's take a look at task 3. Task 3 says that customers have complained that sometimes they are being charged too much if they arrive before 16 and depart after 16, because after 16 the price is fixed, before 16 the price is per hour. And they want us to extend the task 1 to calculate the price before 16, then add the evening charge. So if the person has arrived before 16, we will calculate the cost, the price till 16 and then add the evening charge. So let's recap what we were doing previously. Previously, if the arrival time was less than 15, we were not assuming that he may spend some hours after 16 and that price is fixed after 16. We were just counting the number of hours and we were just calculating the price per hour. We were not being fair in the pricing. Let's take an example. Suppose a person is arriving on Sunday at 14 and he wants to stay for about 5 hours. What we were doing was we checked the price at 14, so we can see that on Sunday price per hour is 2 from 8 to 15 or 59. So we were just calculating the number of hours and multiplying it with price per hour. So it means the price is but actually he was spending 3 hours from this slot, the 16 to midnight slot. So it's not fair to him that we charge him on the price per hour while he is spending some time in the fixed price slot as well. So the customer complaint was that it was charged too much. We have to fix it now. To fix it, we will calculate the price till 16. For example, the customer has arrived at 14 and he wants to stay for 5 hours, and we know that 14 plus 5 is like 19. So we know that 3 hours are from this slot while 2 hours are from this slot. So we will calculate the price of this slot separately from this slot. We will calculate the 2 hour price from here and the remaining 3 hours from this slot. So this will make the payments more transparent. In our pseudocode, if the arrival time was before 16, we were calculating all the price here. So now we will check if the arrival time plus parking hours are greater than or equal to 16 or not. If they are greater than and equal to 16, then we have to calculate the price, different prices for different slots. We will calculate the price before 16 and then we will add the midnight price to it. So if the arrival time plus parking hours is greater than equal to 16, in our last example it was 19 is greater than equal to 16, then parking hours are 16 minus arrival time. So then we minus 16 minus 14 is 2, which means the price before 16 should be calculated from 2 parking hours. So we have calculated the price before 16 like this, and then we use the midnight price that was fixed, that is 2. We added that 2 to price before 16. If the arrival time plus parking hours are not greater than equal to 16, then no change occurs and the price is calculated per hour. There is no fixed price slot. So this pre-release material is complete, all the tasks are done. If you have any questions, you find any problem and you want to ask anything, please feel free to comment below. Keep watching for more videos.